Now I am going to find the perimeter of the triangle. The question we have in right side. 2 number question 2a. We have triangle. Here we have triangle 5 cm. Here this side 12 cm. This side 13 cm. Then perimeter of triangle ABC equal to, in different color, okay, this is A, this is B, this is C. First AB BC plus CA means 12 plus 5 plus 13. This is 25, 5, 30 cm is the answer. Now next question we have question number B, perimeter. Okay, this is very bad drawing. Okay, I want to draw once again. 3.9 cm, 3 cm, 4 cm, x, y and z. The perimeter of x, y, z equal to x, y, this first side, then second side y, z plus third side z, x equal to 3 plus 4 plus 3.9 means this is 7 plus 10.9 cm. Finished. Now next question is C number. We have triangle is like this, P Q, this is 5 centimeter, this is 8.5 centimeter, this is 5.5 centimeter. We need to find perimeter. What? Perimeter is equal to PQ plus QR plus RP. 5.5 plus 8.5 plus 5. This is 14 plus 5 equal to 19 centimeter. Means starting from here and ending at here. This is the perimeter. Okay. Then for 3 number question, let's draw this triangle, A, B, C, D, E. This is equal to this and these two are equal. This means this is also 4 centimeter, this also 4 centimeter, this is 4.5 centi and this also 4.5 centimeter, 4.3 and 3.7. First of all, perimeter of following triangles. Okay, triangle ABC, perimeter of triangle ABC is AB plus BC plus CA equal to this triangle, upper triangle. Okay, this one triangle. To find this, 4.3 plus 4.5 plus 4 equal to 12.9 centimeter, and this down triangle ADE equal to 4 plus 4.5 plus 3.7. Here 4 for 8 and 8 3 11 11 here. This is 1.2 11 12.2 centimeter. And the 4 number question is, now I want to solve 4 number question. And the 4 number question is, we have one ram makes a paper triangle. He is making a paper triangle with the length of 40 centimeter around it. Means around it means this is this from here to here to here is let me draw in another color. Okay, it means this side and this side is 40 centimeter, means perimeter is already 40 centimeter we know. And find the length of third side, any one side. Okay, any one side. Then if the two sides are, this side is suppose 14 centimeter and this side is 16 centimeter. We know triangle has three sides. One side is 14, another side is 16, another third side is x we suppose, and is total is 40. So 40 equal to 30 plus x, therefore x is called 30. 30 minus 40 minus 30, this comes here as, so 10 centimeter is the answer. 10 centimeter is the answer for 4 number question. Then 5 number, no, new page. 5 number question here. Find out how many times it can be fenced with a, we have long wire. Yes, this wire length is 540 meters to an equilateral triangle. The triangle is equilateral, every sides are equal, with 18 meter side. If this side is, one side is 18, another side is also 18, and another side is also 18. The perimeter of triangle is 18 plus 18 plus 18 means 54 centimeter. One time it requires 54 meter. Then total round will be 540 by 54 equal to 10 times. 10 times, yes. First time this much only 54, second time, next time 54, this time also 54. So similar to like this we can do for 10 times. Okay, one time, two time, three time, up to 10 times we can this circle the fence. Thank you.